Established in 1968 in Changhua, Asia Traffic Supply Company has dedicated itself to manufacturing automotive parts, including car ignition coils, motorcycle ignition coils, outboard ignition coils, electric motorcycle horns, and spark plug caps. All of them are 100% made in Taiwan. Asia Traffic Supply has 50 years of auto parts development and manufacturing experience. Our company has obtained the ISO 9001 Quality Management System since 1999 and accredited to the 2015 edition of ISO 9001 Quality Systems in May of 2017. In 2016, Asia Traffic Supply had integrated research lab, design facility, manufacturing, and related departments for both automotive and motorcycle components all together in Nangang plant. Our company has also developed electric bicycle horn and electric forklift horn in order to meet the market demand and environmental friendly protocols. Over the years, Asia Traffic Supply Company has gained excellent reputation from our customers from dozens of countries across the 5 continents for the outstanding product quality and delivery. Our wholly owned factory in Taiwan is measured at 6,050 square meters in area and is equipped with the most advanced production machinery.